आसतु एही 100टी एमसीक्यू माध्यम रे इंडियन इकोनॉमिक रो एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन करिबा जेउथिरे पीक्यूएलआई, एचडीआई, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट, नेशनल इनकम, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट रो मीनिंग एंड इंडिकेटर रो क्वेश्चन गुडी करइबो। प्रथम सेक्शन ले आमे क्वेश्चन 1 लो क्वेश्चन 20 पर्यंत पीक्यूएलआई रो क्वेश्चन को करिबा। एमती सेक्शन वाइज क्वेश्चन रहिबो। वीडियो को संपूर्ण भाव देखिए। यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करने पाई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिछि सेटु जाई डाउनलोड करि पारिबे। तो फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन पीक्यूएलआई रो व्हाट डज पीक्यूएलआई स्टैंड्स फॉर। तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए फिजिकल क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इंडेक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हु डेवलप्ड द कांसेप्ट ऑफ पीक्यूएलआई। तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए मॉरिस डी मॉरिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 PQLI is measure of। The right answer is option number B social development। Question number 4 which of the following is not an indicator of PQLI। The right answer कौन है? Right answer is option number C per capita income। Question number 5 life expectancy in PQLI is measured at what age। The right answer is option number B 1 वर्ष रे। Question number 6 PQLI was introduced in which year। The right answer is option number B 1977 year। Question number 7 which of the following indicate is considered a processor to HDI। The right answer is option number A PQLI। Question number 8 in PQLI literacy is measured for which age group। The right answer is option number B 7 years and above। Question number 9 the range of PQLI score lie between। The right answer is option number C 0 to 100। Question number 10 PQLI is considered better than per capita income because। The right answer is option number A it reflects quality of life। Question number 11 which indicator of PQLI show health standard of a country। The right answer is option number C infant mortality rate। Question number 12 infant mortality rate is expressed for how many live births। The right answer is option number C per 1000। Question number 13 which of the following is a limitation of PQLI। The right answer is option number A it ignore income distribution। Question number 14 Which of the following is a direct component of PQLI? The right answer is option number B, adult literacy rate. Question number 15. What is the main purpose of PQLI? The right answer is option number B, to measure quality of life. Question number 16. Which organization popularized the use of PQLI? The right answer is option number A, UNDP. Question number 17. Which among the following is an advantage of PQLI? The right answer is option number A, it combines social indicator. Question number 18. Which one is not a social indicator of development? The right answer is option number C, per capita income. Question number 19. Which of the following best explain why PQL has developed? The right answer is option number B, to include social aspect in development. Question number 20. PQLI is an attempt to measure. The right answer is option number B, human welfare. এই সেকশন আমি দেখিবা क्वेश्चन 21 टू क्वेश्चन 40 जोटा रहबो एचडीआई रो क्वेश्चन रहइबो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. What does HDI stands for? The right answer is option number A, Human Development Index. Question number 22. Who introduced the Human Development Index? The right answer is option number A, Amartya Sen and Mahbub ul Haq. Question number 23. In which year was HDI first published by UNDP? The right answer is option number B, 1990. Question number 24. Which organization published the Human Development Report? The right answer is option number C, UNDP. Question number 25. Which of the following is not a dimension of HDI? The right answer is option number D, political freedom. Question number 26. Life expectancy at birth is used to measure which HDI dimension? The right answer is option number A, health. Question number 27. Which indicator are used to measure education in HDI since 2010? The right answer is option number B, mean year of schooling plus expected year of schooling. Question number 28. Which income measure is used in HDI? The right answer is option number C, per capita PP minus adjusted GNI. Question number 29. What is the range of HDI value? The right answer is option number A, 0 to 1. Question number 30. Countries with HDI above 0.8 are classified as. The right answer is option number D, very high human development. Question number 31. Which of the following is an HDI limitation? The right answer is option number A, ignores income inequality. Question number 32. Which index was introduced to overcome HDI's limitation regarding inequality? The right answer is option number A, IHDI. Question number 33. India's rank in HDI 2023 is approximately. The right answer is option number C, 134. Question number 34. Which country ranked highest in HDI 2023? The right answer is option number B, Switzerland. Question number 35. Which Indian state has the highest HDI rank according to Niti Aayog? The right answer is option number B, Kerala. Question number 36. Which Indian state has the lowest HDI rank? The right answer is option number C, Bihar. Question number 37. Which of the following indicate complement HDI by measuring poverty in multiple dimensions? The right answer is option number A, MPI. Question number 38. HDI value of India in 2023, HDI 2024 is approximately. The right answer is option number B, 0.644. Question number 39. Which economist is closely associated with the capability approach that influence HDI? The right answer is option number B, Amartya Sen. Question number 40. HDI is classified into how many categories of development? The right answer is option number C, 4. तो क्वेश्चन 41 लो क्वेश्चन 60 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट विषय क्वेश्चन गुड रहिबो तो क्वेश्चन 41 व्हाट डज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट मीन? The right answer is option number B. Development that meet present need without compromising future generation. Question number 42. Which report popularized the concept of sustainable development? The right answer is option number A. Question number 43. In which year was the Brundtland report published? The right answer is option number C. 1987. Question number 44. What is the title of the Brundtland report? The right answer is option number B. Our common feature. Question number 45. The three pillars of sustainable development are. The right answer is option number B. Economic, social, environmental. Question number 46. Which international summit first emphasized Agenda 21 for sustainable development? The right answer is option number B. Rio Summit 1990-20. Question number 47. Which SDG বা Sustainable Development Goal focus on climate action? The right answer is option number C. Goal 13. Question number 48. Which UN conference adopted the Paris Agreement on climate change? The right answer is option number C. Question number 49. Which one of the following is a principle of sustainable development? The right answer is option number A. Intergenerational equality. Question number 50. Which concept is linked with polluter pays principle? The right answer is option number B. Environmental sustainability. Question number 51. Which of the following is an example of unsustainable development? The right answer is option number B. Over exploitation of groundwater. Question number 52. Which Indian Act is related to sustainable environmental protection? The right answer is option number B. Environmental Protection Act 1986. Question number 53. The 17th Sustainable Development Goal SDGs were adopted in which year? The right answer is option number C. 2015. Question number 54. By which year are the SDGs targeted to be achieved? The right answer is option number B. 2030. Question number 55. Which SDG focus on affordable and clean energy? The right answer is option number B. Goal 7. Question number 56. Which SDG is related to life below water? The right answer is option number C. Goal 14. Question number 57. Which Indian mission focus on sustainable agriculture? The right answer is option number B. National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture. Question number 58. Which Indian initiative promotes solar energy for sustainability? The right answer is option number B. National Solar Mission. Question number 59. Which of the following is a global challenge to sustainable development? The right answer is option number A. Climate change. Question number 60. Which principle of sustainable development emphasize using process without depleting them? Depleting them. The right answer is option number C. Carrying capacity. এই ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଆମେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ 61 ରୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ 80 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଇନକମ ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ରହିବ। Question number 61. National income is a measure of. The right answer is option number B. Question number 62. Which method measure national income by adding factor income? The right answer is option number A. Income method. Question number 63. Net national product at factor cost is also called. The right answer is option number A. National income. Question number 64. GDP at market price include. The right answer is option number B. Indirect tax. Question number 65. Who is regarded as the father of national income accounting in India? The right answer is option number A. V.K.R.B. Rao. Question number 66. Which year is considered as the base year for India national income calculation as for 2024? The right answer is option number B. Question number 67. Green GDP refers to. The right answer is option number B. GDP adjusted for environmental. Question number 68. Disposable income means. The right answer is option number A. Personal income, direct tax. Question number 69. The income of Indian working abroad is included in. The right answer is option number B. GNP. Question number 70. Which sector is included in India's national income estimation since 1969? The right answer is option number D, small scale and informal sector. Question number 71. Which organization is responsible for estimating national income in India? The right answer is option number C. Question number 72. Which method of national income is also known as value-added method? The right answer is option number C. Production method. Question number 73. Which of the following is excluded for national income? The right answer is option number C. Transfer payment. Question number 74. Per capita income is calculated as. The right answer is option number A. National income plus national income divided total population. Question number 75. Which committee first attempt to estimate India's national income in 1868? The right answer is option number B. Dadabhai Naroji. Question number 76. Which Nobel laureate developed the concept of welfare measurement of national income? The right answer is option number A. Question number 77. Which indicator is better for measuring economic welfare than GDP? The right answer is option number B. HDI. Question number 78. Which of the following is a limitation of national income as an indicator? The right answer is option number A. Question number 79. Which of the following is not a component of national income? The right answer is option number D. Question number 80. Which index is sometimes used as a proxy for per capita income compensation? The right answer is option number. The right answer is option number A. तबे क्वेश्चन 81 लो 100 ভিতরে রইব ইকোনমিক ডেভেলপমেন্ট র মিনিং এন্ড ইন্ডিকেটর। Question number 81. Economic development refers to. The right answer is option number C. Question number 82. Which of the following is a qualitative indicator of economic development? The right answer is option number B. Literacy rate. Question number 83. The most common indicator of economic growth is. The right answer is option number C. GDP at constant price. Question number 84. Which index measure inequality in income distribution? The right answer is option number B, Gini coefficient. Question number 85. Economic development is a dash concept. The right answer is option number C, both quantitative and qualitative. Question number 86. Which among following is not a measure of economic development? The right answer is option number D, foreign exchange reserve. Question number 87. Which one considered as the best measure of economic welfare? The right answer is option number D, Human Development Index. Question number 88. In India, which report published Human Development Index at the national level? The right answer is option number B, National Human Development Report. Question number 89. Green GDP is concerned with. The right answer is option number B, environmental sustainability. Question number 90. Which of the following does not directly indicate economic development? The right answer is option number D, foreign exchange rate. Question number 91. Which one among the following is considered as an indicator of inclusive growth? The right answer is option number A, reduction in poverty. Question number 92. Who defined economic development as a growth plus change? The right answer is option number B, question number 93. Economic development include which of the following? The right answer is option number D. Question number 94. Which of the following is not a qualitative aspect of development? The right answer is option number C. Question number 95. Which index combine income, education and health indicator? The right answer is option number B, HDI. Question number 96. Which one among the following is not a limitation of per capita income as an indicator of development? The right answer is option number C. Question number 97. Which of the following best explain trickle down theory? The right answer is option number A, benefit of growth reach all section of society. Question number 98. Which of the following is not included in Human Development Index? The right answer is option number D, inflation rate. Question number 99. Which of the following explain economic growth? The right answer is option number A, increase in GDP or national income. Question number 100. Which of the following explain इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट। तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ग्रोथ विथ सोशल जस्टिस एंड इम्प्रूव्ड क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ। तो ये तेरा 100 एमसीक्यू। वीडियो भल लगे वीडियो को लाइक करो, चैनल को नथिले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रही है, सेटू जाई डाउनलोड कर परिबो।